If you're a founder, you know that feeling of pure chaotic effort. But what if all that chaos isn't actually necessary? What if you could engineer stability right into your business? Well, today we're going to talk about how to build a real, repeatable system and finally move from just guesswork to actual growth. So let's start with a really direct question. Think about it. When a potential customer says, "I'm interested," what actually happens next? Not what you'd like to happen or what your perfect flowchart says should happen. What really goes down in your business right now? If your answer to that question kind of changes depending on the day or your energy level or just your mood, then you don't have a system. What you have is effort. And there's a huge difference. A system is deliberate, it's repeatable. Effort, well, effort is unpredictable, and it's probably what's holding your business back.
And here's the hard truth, the one that every single founder has to face eventually. Effort, no matter how intense it is, has a ceiling. You simply can't hustle your way to predictable growth forever. Pure effort, it just doesn't scale.
You know, most founders fall into this trap, and it's totally understandable because intensity feels so productive, doesn't it? The thinking is just do more of everything, more posts, more emails, more late nights. But true, sustainable growth, that doesn't come from intensity. It comes from structure. And when that structure is missing, well, you get the anatomy of chaos. Does any of this look a little too familiar? Your revenue is a total roller coaster, unpredictable from one month to the next. Leads that seemed so interested just go cold because they slipped through the cracks. Follow-up is random at best, and any momentum you build just seems to fade away.
So when you're stuck in that chaos, what's the first instinct? It's almost always to reach for a tool. Let's get a new CRM. Let's buy that shiny new AI automation software. The idea is that a piece of technology is going to magically fix the problem. But that instinct is flawed. And here's why. A tool cannot fix a process that doesn't even exist. It's like putting a faster engine in a car that has no steering wheel. You cannot automate confusion. All you'll do is create more of it, just faster. So you see, the solution isn't adding more complexity. It's about engineering clarity. And that's where a process like the first business system sprint comes in. It's not about adding more tools at all. It's about creating a foundational operating system for your business through a disciplined, focused process.